Hey guys, it's LPS Amazing here, and I'm so excited because, oh no, where did I go? Oh no, I went, oh my gosh, okay. Because, we are playing Animal Jam, as you can see. I'm like really excited because I haven't played Animal Jam in a long time. And just so you know, my username is LivyLove7777. 4 sevens. I'm not going to tell you my password. Everyone knows that. So, but I'm going to say this computer is really slow, so I'm probably not going to be able to finish the whole thing. I'm probably going to make a part 2. I don't know yet if it goes quick or anything. And I was a member, but a few days ago it just said you're not a member anymore, so I'm not a member anymore. But anyway, I am a bunny, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you my den. Okay, we have news, and then I have to spin. Okay, let's see what I get. Oh my gosh, I need to do this one. Is it all the way up here? Okay. See what I get. Okay, 100 times 1 is 100. We get it. Okay, we get it. Okay. Oh my god, no, I don't want to go in there. Okay. So, like, I need to... No, I didn't want to go in there. I just said I didn't want to go in there. Okay. I don't know why I went in there. I just forgot, like, the controls. So, let's go ahead and go to my den. It's not really that pretty. Well, it's pretty. Okay, it's pretty. But, it doesn't have that much stuff in it. And, leave a comment of which game of the arcade is your favorite game. Mine is Falling Phantoms. I love that game. It's so fun. Because, like, I don't get first place a lot, but, I'm so bad at best dress. It's like, oh my god. So, as you can see, this is my den. And I love these little plushies, and I love how you can get these little animals. I love these hamsters because they're so cute, and you can design them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead into the arcade, and I'm gonna go play Falling Phantoms. And if you want to play right now, I would be glad to know that you and talk to you for a little bit, but oh yeah. I have a bunch of buddies, a lot from my old school, 4 bus, if you go there. I'm sorry I don't go there anymore. I go to a new school, but 4 bus is really good. Okay, anyway, I love this one. I love it. Falling Phantoms is the best video game ever. I love Falling Phantoms. I'm so bad at best dress. I'm like really bad. Like only one time I got first place. I was like, anyway, I love Falling Phantoms. Falling Phantoms is the best game ever. Okay, let's go in it now. This is gonna be so fun. So excited. I do not win first place, but I'm kind of good at this game, but yeah. Sorry if my phone falls because it's like really shaky right now. Just gonna get scooted over. Am I literally the only? Oh, okay. I was like, oh my god, am I the only one here? I was like, oh my god. This is gonna be easy. Okay, I'm just like gonna. Oh, no. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I died. That was terrible. Okay, new game. That was just terrible. Like, I thought, at least, I'm just gonna log out of this game because I don't really want to play this anymore. I thought it was gonna be super fun, but never mind. I really want to leave this game. Leave playing this. I like going to, I forgot what it was. But anyway, I have 5,009 gems and 3,577 tickets and 4 diamonds. This is, yeah, okay. And so I'm just gonna kind of explore because I haven't played Animal Jam in a long time. And, ooh, how about, I'm gonna play the claw. I don't care if I have to spend 5 gems, who cares? But, because I like really want to get a toy. I hope I get a toy on my first try because I don't really want to spend 10 gems. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm gonna like scooch, like right there, I guess. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna get one. I don't have the volume up because, oh, wow. Oh, almost. Okay, like, seriously. I don't care if I'm spending 10 gems. I want to get a prize. I'm just gonna try 30 times because I don't really want to spend like a bunch of gems just trying to get a plushie. I just love doing this. Oh, okay. This is getting stupid now. Sorry if I say stupid a lot. It's just, this is really dumb. Because I like literally tried 2 times and I haven't got one yet. Oh, okay. I don't think I'm going to get one right now because I just totally saw that was an empty space. And I got playing again because this is, oh, I got one. Yay. You won. Let's see what oh, I love koalas. I like love koalas. I love the pink one because that's like my favorite. And I love how you get these plushies because they're like so cool. I love plushies. Plushies. Thank you, plushies. And I'm playing on my computer. I'm gonna say it again. My username is Ludo77. So just so you know, I love Animal Jam. This is gonna be so fun. And I just kind of explored around and got a plushie and everything. And I love this video. It's so fun. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. Bye-bye. Oh wait, first I want to show you all my animals. Not bye-bye yet. Well, I don't know if it can load fast because like I don't know why, but my computer's like just so slow. I don't know why. And I'm like really happy today because I got these like new earrings. It was like they're like so. You know what? This is not okay. Okay. So I really hope you enjoy. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I have a wolf, and that's Dancing Sunny Girl. She's purple and white, and oh, here they go. And so yeah, purple and white, and I have the bunny, and that's blue and white and gray, and she has the collar. These are my animals that I are not unlocked because I'm not a member anymore. But I will be a member soon because my mom is thinking about me getting a member again. And yeah, I love the octopuses. They're like so cool. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and bye. Please subscribe, please. I only have 8. I need more subscribers.